All right, guys, good afternoon. We are here in Palatka, Florida, once again, and we are at, this is the first, Florida has over 170 of these, and this is our first visit to one, and we are going to try to hit every single one. So this is going to be a brand new series that's starting here. We are at a state park. To be more specific, Ravine Gardens State Park, Palatka, Florida. Let's go make some memories and start our state park series. Park closes at 8:30 today. $5 per vehicle. See, this is where they hang all the azaleas from in the spring, I think, from all these pagodas. They say that this is beautiful to see in the springtime. I think it's March is the biggest month, so we're gonna have to come back here in March. Right now it's June, so we missed all of the garden part of it. That part anyway. All right, we are at the Ravine Gardens Civic Center. This is kind of like their visitor center type area. It says National Register of Historic Places, 1933. And it's got pets in the park, when nature calls, pick it up, public record requests, park rules, administration offices, men's room. Ladies' room is just up here on the left. There's an auditorium in here, right there. Some meeting rooms over here, but it's all locked up. We've got a couple of little turtles in here. Not sure what is up these steps, but it's dark, so I'm not going up there. And then back here is a really cool seating area. Nice place to come and have your lunch. We're gonna have to come back to this park when the drive portion is still open. So there's a lot of stuff we want to do in this area, so we're gonna have to just head back up here like in a week or two and finish filming here. It's okay, it's worth it. Lim Bartram Trail, traced 1970 or 1773 to 1777. They explored this area. The Garden Club of Palatka meets the first Monday in September through May. I don't know if any of this is open. Probably not. Nope, it's closed. Huh. Alright, so unfortunately the loop drive is closed to vehicles, but we could still walk it. We don't know if we're going to walk the whole trail. We may just do a portion of it because skies aren't looking in our favor right now. It looks like it might rain. So we're just kind of walking down here to see what's this way. Nice little fountain here in the middle. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Come on.
I promise I'll take you. I'll take you. Mommy's gonna end up on the floor dead. So you're too scared. Or too chicken.
Look at this chicken dog. This dog does not like steps. Winter. I don't like them either. Can you carry me? There's lots of stone steps here. All right, there's 2 suspension bridges, I believe, in this park. And this is the first one. Oh, this is cool. Come on. There's steps down there because you can go down below. It's like you wonder. Picnic table down there. It feels so much later in the day than it is because of the shade and the cloud cover. It's pretty cool. Man, I look like a hot mess. Hat's on crooked. And this is the suspension bridge. Pretty cool. I think there's 2 of them here in this park. Let's see what the sign says here. Springs Trail. Azalea Trail's this way. The Azalea Trail is really far. Springs Trail, I don't know. This doesn't say anything up this way. I don't know what's up this way. Besides some rough looking steps. That's a ravine. Yeah. So what are we on, the Azalea Trail?
Yeah, but we're only on it for a little bit to get to the other suspension bridge.
I hope that was a tree branch that just hit me and not a snake. I feel like I'm hiking the Appalachian Trail. Again. As if I had hiked it before. Just in my dreams. When you're going to go on hikes in the woods, make sure you and whoever's with you charges their cell phones.
But carefully. Bunch of branches.
Alright, we're still on the Azalea Trail here. Next set of steps. All these stone steps and trees and everything makes you feel like you're in a movie. Wow. They had to cut this so people could fit through. Oh, it's still a tight squeeze. Holy cow. Are you sure this is right?
There's a way around it.
Now look at this.
If you want to try, if you're taller here, you can climb this and get that. But
Yeah, there's bees here. There's literally a whole, like a beehive here.
you make me nervous. What do you mean a beehive?
I don't know, I just saw like 50 bees.
Says the man who's allergic. Oh. Keep the family.
This is some elevation.
This is fun. Look at Winter's exhausted, but she's doing it.
All right, so here's our second suspension bridge. Let me take a walk. I'll test it out for safety. Ooh, I hear creaking. Ooh, more creaking. Ooh, this one moves a lot. This one's worse. When I get to the end, hide, she says. Yikes. Look at this. Do you think there's alligators in there? I'm not jumping in to find out. All right, so I'm making it to the end. Oh, look at this, what people did. People put 2 padlocks here. I don't know if they're allowed to do that in this park, but that's something that people do that we've seen as we travel throughout the country, and we've seen it in other countries online where people will leave their locks. It's not that, I think it was supposed to be in about 92 today. Right now it's completely overcast. I think I keep hearing thunder in the distance, so we got to get a move on. So I don't want to get stuck here in a thunderstorm since we decided to walk this trail. No, but it's just one of those things where the temperature, it's not steaming hot right now because the sun is not pounding down on us because we're down under the tree cover, plus there's a lot of cloud cover, but it still was about 92 today, and it is muggy. Humid, 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 which is typical for Florida in June. So make sure you bring water with you when you come on these hikes. We have water for both of us and for winter. So we're still on the Azalea Trail. We're circling back to the parking lot area. I think I hear the Palatka Amtrak. This is so cool how the waterway zigzags through here. It looks like a little snake. The water's flowing. It's very shallow, but it's flowing. You can tell it's been deeper at times because you can see the erosion. This is cool how it zigzags through. Is that a waterfall? A Florida waterfall.
It's so pretty here.
Are those Class C rapids? All right, so up the steps we go. Fun fact about Dan. Dan does not have great knees. So steps are not my friend. Back across the bridge we go. Now I hear thunder again. Oh no. Are we gonna survive Ravine Gardens State Park and make it out without a drop of rain hitting us? I hope so. We're almost back to the car. Through the trees up there, we have to climb because we came down, so we got to climb some steps to get back to the gardens area, the parking lot area up there. But we're not far. We're not too far. But I can tell you what, that AC in the car is gonna feel real good. That and some nice ice cold water. I think we found the Fountain of Youth. Let's see. Is this the Fountain of Youth? I don't think that it is. I think it's just a man-made water fountain. Man-made effects. Fake. Fake. It's not real. We just finished doing our hiking and our sightseeing here at Ravine Gardens State Park in Palatka, Florida. Thank you for watching. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. Let us know if you like this kind of content. In the comment section down below, have you ever been to Ravine Gardens State Park? What state park do you want to see us go to next? We are going to try to hit every single state park over the next maybe 2 years. That's one every couple of days. I don't know if that's doable with work and life, but we're going to try. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.